If Microsoft Edge is showing error code 3.12.0, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that you can try at home. This issue can happen when Edge has a problem with your account session, your browser profile, or stored data like cookies and cache. The good news is that the fix is usually quick, and in many cases, you can get Edge working again in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the control panel on your computer. You can do this by typing control panel into the Windows search bar and clicking the result when it appears. Once control panel opens, look for the Microsoft Edge settings or the option to change Edge-related settings on your system. Depending on your version of Windows, this may appear under installed programs, default apps, or system settings connected to Microsoft Edge. The goal here is to make sure Edge is properly selected and configured on your device. If you see any option related to changing or repairing Microsoft Edge, go ahead and review it carefully. Next, try signing out of your Microsoft account in Edge. Open Microsoft Edge, click your profile icon in the top right corner and choose the sign out option. After that, close the browser completely, wait a few seconds, then open Edge again and sign back into your account. This refreshes your session and can clear up sync or authentication issues that may be triggering the error. If the error still appears after signing out and back in, the next step is to clear your browsing data. In Microsoft Edge, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, then go to Settings. From there, find the Privacy, Search and Services section and scroll until you see the Clear Browsing Data area. Click Choose what to clear. Now select cookies and other site data and also select cached images and files. If you want to be extra thorough, you can choose a wider time range, such as all time, so Edge can start fresh. Once you've selected the correct options, click Clear Now. After the data is cleared, restart Microsoft Edge and check if the error code is gone. In many cases, clearing cookies and cache removes corrupted browser files that were causing the problem. If Edge opens normally after that, you're all set. If not, you may want to repeat the sign-out process one more time, then clear the data again to make sure the browser session is fully refreshed. The key idea is to reset the browser's stored information and reconnect your account cleanly. That usually resolves this type of Microsoft Edge error. So to recap, first go to Control Panel and check the Edge-related settings, then sign out and back into your account, and finally clear cookies and cache from the Clear Browsing Data section. These steps fix a lot of common Edge issues without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you fix Microsoft Edge error code 3.12.0, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.